everybody, in today's video, guess what I am doing? Guess what I am doing? I am sewing something new. I am sewing something new. It is New Look 6486. I'm working on view A. This beautiful halter top. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewers. It's your girl Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Fam, this is your first time clicking on my video. If you have not already done so, I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls, thrift hauls, fabric hauls, pattern hauls, me-made reveals, and whatever else I got going on within my sewing/craft room. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my content. In addition, here on Denise the Sloth Sewers channel, I share the latest pattern and fabric sales announcement. If I get them out to you all in time, they're here on my channel for you all to enjoy. All right, everyone, welcome new subscribers to the family. I'm so glad that you all decided to join my channel. Thank you all so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and returning once again to watch another video with your girl, Denise. In today's video, guess what I am doing? Guess what I am doing? I am sewing something new. I am sewing something new. It is New Look 6486. I'm working on view A. This beautiful halter top. Let me show you the line drawing. The line art of view A. You see that back out right here? That's my goal, everyone. So for this particular pattern, New Look 6486, I am using this beautiful $8 thrifted fabric that I used previously on one of my sewing makes. I'll put the thumbnail of that make here, and I'll leave the link in the description box below so y'all can check out my latest video. In addition, I had leftover. So I have leftover fabric that I had an opportunity to use to make this beautiful top. Once again, view A. So day one, all your girl did was I went ahead and selected the fabric. Easy done. This. In addition, I chose which pattern I was going to make with the beautiful fabric. And then after that, I did my bust measurements because I'm making a top, so I'm using my bust measurement, which was a 40.5, and I'm actually making a size 18 in the bust and a size 16 in the bottom half. So those are my measurements for this particular pattern, and I'm using 100% polyester, a thrifted fabric from Goodwill to make this make. All right, so in addition, I went ahead on day one. I cut out all my pattern pieces. I pressed those with a dry iron, and I also cut out the fabric pieces that I need. So today is day two, and your girl is about to start constructing this top. So let's get at it. Let's get into it. Day two, I am going to make a stay stitch right here, starting at the top all the way down to the dot. Starting at the top all the way down to the dot, and I'm coming back, and I'll show you all my stay stitches, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, it is several days later. Your girl is back in the sewing/craft room. About to get back to working on New Look 6486. I'm currently working on view A. Using this beautiful fabric that I purchased for only $8 at my local Goodwill. This is a pillowcase that I have, so I got extra fabric. Plan on making a pair of shorts. Either shorts or a skirt with this outfit when I am done. So I'll make the top, maybe some shorts. Hopefully I can be able to put it together, make it an it, everybody, and it'll be good to go. All right, let's go ahead and get into where I'm currently at. I'm currently working on attaching the back ties. The back ties here to the top. So I'm just going to baste it here. Baste it onto the top. And I decided for the end of it is to fold it down and give it like a little neat, bring out a little closer, a little neat finish. Hope you can see that. Now I'm just going to do a regular stitch across here. And that'll make that little mark. And then I'm going to baste this little area. Baste it to the side. Do that to both of the tie ends. After you turn it first, right side out. So this is my second tie. I must turn it right side out. And then I'm going to continue working on it, everybody. So y'all stay tuned. By the time I come back, I have the tie ends attached to the back of the top. And then we'll continue on with the next steps. In this step, I am attaching the tie to the back of the top, making sure that my raw edges are even, making sure that the tie strap lines up with the raw edge of the back of the top. I'm pinning it in place. I'm going to stitch where the dot is located on the back of that top to secure the tie end to the back of the shirt. Here I am actually making the ends look a little bit better by folding it under, and I'm going to stitch that in. So I'm hiding, in other words, I'm hiding the raw edges, everyone. So that's what I'm using. I'm using some Wonder clips to make this happen, and I will take it to my sewing machine. After I baste the tie ends to the back of the garment, I will stitch the ends so that by the time they're done, the raw ends will no longer be visible. That's my plan, everyone. Now I'm going to take you over to my sewing machine and show you all how I make this happen. Here I am. I'm returning to my cutting table and getting ready to remove the loose threads from stitching the tie ends to the back of the top. I have created a 5/8 of an inch stitch line and a 1/4 of an inch stitch line, so I can just fold this over a 1/4 of an inch, press, and then fold that down into the 5/8 of an inch seam line. Y'all stay tuned so I show you what I mean. All right, everyone, I just finished pressing my 1/4 of an inch stitch line down. Now I'm getting ready to form the casing by tucking my raw edge under and creating a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance so that I can insert my elastic when it is complete. Everyone, I'm back. It is several days later. Let's say it's a week later in general. Today is the 4-year anniversary of my mom of when she passed away, y'all. So today I'm going to do some sewing to go ahead and finish up a top that I have been working on for a while now. And just reminisce on her memories. And so y'all stay tuned for the reveal of this top. I hope that you all like it. If you do, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Show y'all the reveal. Let me show you what I have done recently. Last time you saw me, I was making the casing for the elastic. I have already inserted the elastic inside of the casing, as you can see here. Now the next step is to attach the front to the back of the pattern piece and stitch it using a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. Last but not least will be to complete the strap using pattern piece number 6. Make sure you cut 2 if you're making view A or B, and I'm currently making view A. So y'all stay tuned for the final reveal. Hello everyone, I'm super excited to reveal to you my Me Made. And I'm pairing it with assistance from my youngest son, Tyson, who's the cameraman behind the scenes, with these beautiful white pants that I have from my closet, along with a pair of K-Swiss shoes. So here we go. Model time. I will be making modifications to those that, girl, you need to make some modifications. I got it. Next time I make it, I sure will. Here we go. Let me start over. You keep that part. There we go. Now the side action. The sides. Alright everyone, I hope that you all like the reveal. I'm super excited how it turned out. Don't forget to, if you like this video, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up. My motto is keep trying till you get it right. Denise is also. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.